This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your media formats and project settings so clips behave predictably. Open Alight Motion, set the project resolution and frame rate to match the source. This prevents rescaling or speed shifts. Next, import your files into the media panel. Use the folder import to keep originals intact. Once done, place a raw clip on the timeline and scrub it briefly to verify audio sync and duration, because early verification saves time during detailed fixes later. Now focus on visual and timing corrections. Trim edges and use ripple edits to maintain downstream clips. This keeps your sequence intact. If footage jitters, apply the stabilizer effect or add subtle motion blur to mask microshake. For framing issues, add keyframes to scale and position so motion feels natural. Ease keyframes to avoid abrupt jumps. Also check audio timing against video. Nudge clips by frames when necessary, because precise alignment makes edits look professional. Finish by exporting with settings that match your intended platform. Choose the correct codec, resolution, and bitrate, and test a short segment first to confirm quality. If you see artifacts or dropped frames, re-export using a higher bitrate or an alternative codec because compression choices cause most issues. If problems persist, clear Alight Motion cache, restart the app, and re-import the project. This often resolves corrupted preview files. If not, stabilize problematic clips and export again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.